Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage startup programs to speed up boot time on your PC on your Windows 10. First of all, go to taskbar and right click and then go to task manager and then go to startup, this tab. As you can see, there is applications and softwares in here, programs that it is starting. As you can see, if you find here enabled, it means that it will start like on boot time, it will run directly automatically without opening it. So we go here and right click and disable. If we disable this, so it will not run automatically on boot time when it's loading. When you just turn on your PC, it will not run automatically till you open this software. The same thing I will do it with Microsoft Edge. I don't want it to run automatically, so I'm gonna disable it. You just need to enable softwares that you really need. This one I don't need it. Wondershare, I will disable it. You just enable like Windows security in like Windows Defender, you have to enable it, and other things I guess you have to disable them unless you really need that software. For example, I use this software for removing the nose background, so I'm gonna enable it to work on boot time. So this is the way that you can disable or enable the softwares that will run automatically when you just turn on your PC. If you turn this on, a lot of softwares that will delay or make the time boot time will be long, so it's gonna take a lot of time to boot your PC and to run when you try to run it, when you try to turn it on. So I prefer to disable, you just enable only the softwares that you really need, so that it's not gonna impact boot time on your PC. That's it guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to get more videos just like this, tutorials, and see you next time.